the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Today we're going to be making white mac and cheese. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 3/4 cup of heavy cream. If you don't have that, you can also use 2 3/4 cup of whole milk. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of salt, which I will be omitting. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard. 2 cups of Gouda cheese and 2 cups of cheddar cheese. If you guys can find, the smoked Gouda and the smoked white cheddar, you can use that. I couldn't find any of that. And we're also going to need 2 1/2 cups of the macaroni and also fresh parsley chopped. Okay guys, first step, have your water boiling and go ahead and add in your elbow macaroni. We're going to let that cook up. Follow the box directions for how long to cook that. Okay, while your macaroni is cooking, you want to go ahead and measure out all your ingredients. As you can see, I shredded my Gouda cheese and I have everything measured out. Now, for your heavy cream, you want to go ahead and put it in your microwave for 2 minutes to heat it up. You do not want to boil it. Okay guys, my macaroni is done. It took about 7 minutes to cook. I drained it, then I put it in a bowl of cold water to shock it so it'll stop cooking, and then I drained it again. Okay, next guys, you want to heat your pan up and add your unsalted butter. We're going to go ahead and let that melt. Okay, once your butter has melted, we're going to start incorporating our flour little by little and mixing. We want this to absorb some of the butter in here. So remember, little at a time, mix, put your heat on medium, and keep on mixing. Okay, we can go ahead and add the rest. And keep on mixing it until it's well incorporated in it. Okay, that's looking good. Now guys, we want to go ahead and take our heavy cream and add that in there. We're going to go ahead and mix that around. Mix it real good. Now, if you want to add salt, guys, which I am not, you can go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and add my black pepper. And I'm going to add my mustard powder. Alright guys, go ahead and mix that around. Mix it real good. Okay guys, you can go ahead and use a whisk now to mix it. Once it's mixed in good, you can start incorporating your cheese. Doesn't matter how, whichever one, little at a time, until it's all in there and melted. You could put your heat down to medium, low, and keep adding your cheeses in until they're all melted. Okay guys, save a little bit of your cheeses if you want to garnish it at the end. But look at this. This is nice and creamy. Take a look guys. It's a very creamy cheese sauce. It's beautiful. Look at that. Alright guys, that's done. We can go ahead and turn our heat off. Okay guys, I have went ahead and moved my cheese sauce into a bigger pot. Now let's go ahead and add our elbow macaroni. Alright, and go ahead and mix that. Look how creamy that is, guys. It's beautiful. Look at that. Mix it real well. Let all the elbow macaroni get coated nicely. I'm telling you guys, you're going to enjoy this. It's a real tasty dish. Look at this. Watch. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and plate it, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I've put all my macaroni and cheese into this nice red mason jar type bowl. And just for some final garnishment, we're going to put some parsley, fresh chopped parsley on top. Look at that, guys. It's a nice pop of color. So guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back and I'll see you next time. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. This is white mac and cheese.